Ever notice how one yawn can start a chain reaction? Let's talk about why yawning is contagious. Scientists believe contagious yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. When you see someone yawn, mirror neurons in your brain, the same ones that help you understand others' emotions, get activated. This might explain why you're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you're close to, like a friend or family member. It's your brain's way of connecting with others. So next time you yawn after someone else does, just know it's your brain being social. Cool, right?